So after 15 years of fighting them constantly and having your life's work taken away, what has the impact been on your life and your relationships?
Well, it's sad, Suresh. It really becomes emotional when I sit here talking to you. People don't see this unless I come on and present myself, and they can see it's taken a toll financially. At least $1 million gone. De facto gone 4.5 years ago. There was another lady friend I had. So I've been single for 4.5 years. I've lost my business. I've lost any income, any past income from that, any benefit for the sale of that business. I've been lumbered with at least a $200,000 bill by the manager and a tax debt of over $200,000. I've had my health affected. I got WorkCover because of the call, which Nick Curran originally denied I was even an employee of my own company. I eventually got WorkCover because of calling me at home and the mental anguish I suffered because being told you're not having a business, you're not entitled to come back. We're going to breach corporations law because you are a corporate entity. We're just going to take everything away from you. You're not going to have any responsibility, nor any knowledge about what we're doing to your company and running up debts and running up contracts. The phone bill was out for $5,000 too, and they're trying to recover for me, for example. My son believes now that I'm a deadbeat because I don't have a practice. I've lost respect for my 9-year-old son. There's no inheritance for him. I've lost respect in the wider legal fraternity because of this whisper campaign coming back to me for people who don't even work in the legal profession, who have been told things from legal practitioners that I'm a bad apple, and they believe the narrative that the legal board have put out. It's been not reported anywhere, the wins I've had and how they've gone after me. And lawyers I've approached, they are just aghast. The liquidators are aghast, accountants are aghast, professionals, lawyers, the public that know about it, friends. They've ostracised my family from me, my only family, my 2 brothers and their children and wives. So there will never be any contact there, even though I've tried to reach out to bring that back. So the only thing is my 9-year-old son. I've spent the last number of years Christmas at home alone, thinking about this and thinking about why, how it could happen to anyone. It's happened to me. What I'd like to leave the thought out there is today me, tomorrow you. And if you don't think it's going to happen, you'll get a rude awakening. Basically, they've come in, stolen my house, cleaned it out, given me the bill for it as a slap in the face, and hoped, i.e. you die from one of your medical conditions, you commit suicide, or you just become gaga and we silence you. And if you ever speak up, that's it, we come for you again. And that's what they're doing now. Even after the fact, I'm still fighting a legal battle with them in VCAT, because if they win that, the next step will be to strike me off the roll of practitioners and say, ha ha, here we are, we've had a win now, we're vindicated. So I have to spend good money now that I don't have. I'm currently on WorkCover to fight people with mental illness that are still after me. Now, how do you reconcile that, Suresh? Is that Australia, or is this more like Venezuela? With threats, secret police, this whole thing here. I really don't know why I ever came to this country. We are taught hard work, you do it, and these people are law unto themselves with no one to be responsible to, with $3.2 billion to pay lawyers. How am I ever going to win against that? How will anyone win against that? Why does the profession not take an initiative here and say, well, if it's these people and this is the story, what's going on here? Who's going to be an oversight person here? Who's going to make sure that they are fit and proper people in there?
No, I think the worst aspect of this is that the way they weaponize their regulatory powers to effectively sabotage your ability to defend yourself when they're attacking you. They go after your lawyers, they basically vilify you in the public.
They take your finances away, that you can't afford the court case, which I still did, and won in April.
Yeah, no, they basically control.
I had 6 months no income. even with WorkCover coming late, I somehow still got to pay the lawyer, Glenn Mohammed, and win my case.
Yeah, and now they're going after him.
As a payback.
Yeah. And
also Stephen, who wanted to buy my business. How dare you come and defend Thomas?
yeah, no, I've and also your case is not in any way a sole instance of misconduct.